VESTA introduces the next generation of water heater, VESTA Revolution. VESTA Revolution is a high-quality stainless steel dual heat exchangers for more durable and longer life. The Revolution has a built-in recirculation pump for instant hot water. Without further investment on an external recirculation system, you simply connect with recirculation line and you will have the hot water instantaneously. Our eco-friendly, smart and robust combustion technology provides ultra-low NOx emission. Easy installation is an important key with the smart and comfort technology. 2-inch vent can be installed up to 60 feet, and 3-inch vent can be installed up to 100 feet. You can install half-inch gas pipe up to 24 feet. The Cascade system in tandem installation is one of the standard features of VESTA Revolution tankless water heater. You can easily link up to 8 units without any extra controls. Consider VESTA Revolution for your next water heater.